This, these. This is an apple. These are apples. This is a lamb. These are lambs. This is an egg. These are eggs. This is a top. These are tops. This is an owl. These are owls. What is this? What are these?
This is a clown. These are clowns. This is a worm. These are worms. This is a pineapple. These are pineapples. This is a fish. These are fishes.
This, these. Fill in the blanks with this, these. Dash is a ship. This. Dash are ants. These. Dash is a bear. This. Dash are candles. These. Dash are dogs. These. Dash is a camel. This. Dash is a caterpillar. This. Dash are carrots. These. That, those. That is an ant. Those are ants. That is a cat. Those are cats. That is a carrot. Those are carrots. That is a bear. Those are bears. That is a cap. Those are caps. What is that? What are those?
That is a bear. Those are bears. That is a butterfly. Those are butterflies. That is a lion. Those are lions. That is a cock. Those are cocks.